Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to answer and end phone calls on your Galaxy Z Flip by opening and closing the phone. So first things first, make sure the options are enabled in your call settings. So open up your phone app, then tap on the options in the top right corner, and then go to settings. Now tap on answering and ending calls, and make sure open phone to answer and close phone to end are enabled. And from here, when you receive a phone call, you can open up the phone to answer it, and when you're finished, you can close the phone to end the call. And that's pretty much it. So that was a quick tutorial on how to answer and end phone calls on your Galaxy Z Flip by opening and closing the phone. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Cheers, bye.